Devontae Robinson, and I'm grade 12 at Eastland.
I'm Ethan from grade 11 Eastland School.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Larson, and I'm the leadership teacher here at Eastland.
Hi, I'm Aiden Alexander, and I'm in grade 11.
Hi, I'm Savannah, and I'm in grade 12.
Hi there, my name is Aline, and I'm a student from Eastland High, and I'm in grade 12.
We have Voices of Eastland, which is our informal leadership club, and then we also have the formal leadership class, which is offered at levels 15, 25, and 35. So you can earn credits for running wonderful initiatives and events around the school and in the community. Our focus for leadership is to give back to our school and our community and to grow as people and as leaders.
Leadership is amazing. It's so good. Everything is just, the people there want to support you and they want to lift you up and they want to help you be a better member of your community. And leadership is like its own little small community within the school.
I really like just helping out, setting up activities around the school, especially pre-COVID. I liked going to after-school events, volleyball games, basketball games, just all these extra activities, and it was just a fun option. I chose to be a part of that.
I chose leadership because I really enjoy helping others and leading and just being a part of something bigger than just yourself, and I think it's a really amazing place to start.
Bikeathon? That one is my favorite. It was the best year. Like when I said grade 10 was the year, it was the year. Yeah. It's a program that we collect money to help kids in Africa who don't have transportation. So we just fundraise money and then we get money and then we sleep at school and then we have to ride a bike 24/7. And then, yeah, it's really fun. We do some activity.
I really like going and helping out the Boys and Girls Club. It's really fun, and you get to meet amazing little kids, and they just look up to you so much, and you get to talk to them and see how they're doing, and they ask you so many questions, and it's really great.
Having to interact and have ideas in the class.
Making the clubs was fun, and doing the posters, because I got to help make a poster with Aline, and it was fun.
Sometimes it was messy, but it gets good and you get something good for the class then.
I really like the Halloween parties that we do for the community. Those are really cool things because we, as a group, we plan the whole thing. And then we go out into the community and we hand out flyers and we make sure that people know about it. And then Halloween comes and all these little kids show up with the biggest smiles and they get candy and they play games and leadership students are ear to ear grinning. And it's just a really good way to have fun and just get to know other people that are in the community.
Leadership is just a nice break in the day for sure. For one, it just, especially if you have 3 cores, well, I guess it's different now, but if you have 3 cores, you get to come to the class, you get to just help out, just do some crafts, just help out around the school, hang out with friends, and just, yeah, it feels good.
See, I'm a really shy person, and leadership has really helped me develop as a person and be more comfortable for who I am and just be more outspoken and not afraid that people will be that's no.
To inspire others and to just overall be a better person, be a better leader, I guess.
I would say do it, even if you're scared. If you don't like people, you're gonna like people by the end of it. It's just one of the best things I've ever done in my high school career.
Honestly, it makes me a better person. It makes me think about my choices in my everyday life, what I could change, what I could do better.
I feel like it engages students to help out around the school. It's an option that doesn't take a lot, it doesn't drain you a lot. You get to have fun in it. It's honestly so laid back. It's just a nice class to take.
focusing on everyone else, seeing if it's like a good idea.
It's you know, you lead people, the whole school. You're like a role model to them. You lead by examples. So you have to behave. You have to be a student who attends school, so people can look up to you, and you know, have good grades, study for your exams, and yeah.
I love student leadership. I love being part of it. I love all of the amazing kids that I get to meet and work with as part of that work. I love seeing students who come into it shy and unsure just really grow into themselves as people and as leaders.
It has given me the chance to work for different organizations. It's given me the chance to develop like logical thinking skills and just skills that'll help me do well when I graduate and go on to post-secondary and just overall in life. And like the people that support you in leadership are there for life. They're not gonna flake. They're really great.
I can learn that most of my ideas aren't stupid and some of them could be good for class.
You can be whoever you are going into it, and you'll come out on top as a leader. It just, like I said, it develops you so much faster than you think it would ever, and it's pretty great.
What I learned is like anything is possible. Like you can be anything you want. Like I never dreamed of like being a leader in a school, or like, you know, like I never dreamed of that. But anything is possible if you put your mind to it.